Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm. I got a few things going on today. I got the father-in-law's truck because our truck, we loaned it out to sister-in-law. She had to move some stuff around, so we're just using his truck. I got to take some hay over to Peaty. I'm going to work on that stall a little bit today, try to get the lining done. I still need to make it to the hardware store to get the rest of the wood to finish that stall up. And then we're going to go through a fair food drive-through, so that should be interesting. So I'll take you guys along for that, see what else we can get into. So sit back and relax. All right, so we got to get 10 bales down from the loft here. So get up there and get those bales. All right. All right, I got my 10 bales. I'm gonna throw them in the truck now. Take you guys outside. Ask him to, don't tell him. All right, guys, I don't know if that filmed that or not. When my GoPro fell down, it went to some mode. I'm not sure what it was. I got the hay loaded up, but apparently we have a dead turkey, one of the baby turkeys. I mean, that's just a casualty that you'll have. So it's one turkey and one chicken that we've lost. I got my buddy with me today. So let's pull up there and see what's going on. There's the ducks. She's fine. All right, let's go check things out. Did you take care of the turkey, buddy? Wyatt, did you take care of the turkey? Let's go. Let's go see. Oh, my garage. My poor, poor garage. These things are getting nasty. 4 more weeks on those bad boys, and they'll be out of my garage, and I can pressure wash this sucker. Huh. Yeah, we got 1, 2, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we did have 10. He must have already got it out of there, but that's fine. You guys don't need to see that. So, all right, I'm gonna go take this hay up to the second farm, and then take the, I gotta drop 4 off there, then 6 gotta go to peaty. So let's get that done. Get back. I don't know where it's at.
It's right on the napkin.
Okay, that's all done. Check out Peaty, what he's doing. Probably rolling. He rolling? Peaty. Hey, Peaty. Yep, there he is, way down there. All right, you probably need to go get him. Peaty, come on. Come on, Peaty. Come on. Come on, Peaty. Peaty. It's a long walk down there. Come on, Peaty. Can't chew and walk at the same time, buddy? Say, good. He's dirty. Needs a bath. Don't he? I think he's due for a bath. Due for a good old bath, huh, Peaty? Let's halter off. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna go home and then we're gonna get ready to go to this fair food drive-through. So we'll see how this goes. Kinda interested. So sit back and relax. Alright. We just got back from the fair food drive-through. Couldn't really film anything because there's just too many cars, too many people. But it was pretty neat. You just drove through and they get your order and then they would make the food. I mean, there was like, I don't know, 10 vendors there or something like that. So it was pretty fun. Kids wanted to do it, so something different. Got us out of the house. But now I got to get this auger on hook from the John Deere, and my dad's coming over to pick it up. So let's get at that. All right. All right, that thing's super heavy, so I was glad to get that off here without something happening. All right, well, I'm gonna go push up the manure pile and see what else I can get into. I think here behind the manure pile, we are going to put a like a corn patch. That's where we're gonna grow our corn. So I'm gonna get that all leveled up, maybe till that up when it dries out a little bit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and push up this manure pile and see if I can get that leveled out. Ooh, is it wet back here? Well, yeah, back over here, let's level that out right there, and we can put corn right there. It gets the sun all day. That'd be a good area. So, let's get at it then. All right, that should be good enough. And I'll just till it up. Maybe be like a 20 by 10 or something. Just enough to put 6-7 rows of corn in, and it'll grow good. This is, gosh, this is probably 6-year-old manure from the horses. It's pretty rich, so it'll grow. So now I'm gonna go over here and get some hay for the cattle, bring that over to them, and see what else we can get into. So sit tight. I want to give you an update on these chickens. They're doing great. Moving around just fine. One just flew in here, but yeah, they're fine. The other one's still fat though. Real puffy butt, but you know, they're getting around fine. They're around great. So 2 more days and then we'll put them back in the flock. So take care of them guys.